Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you get your student email account. First, find your institution's official guide. This is usually on their main website, perhaps under IT services or student resources. Look for terms like student email activation or new student accounts. Accessing this information early saves time and ensures you follow the correct, specific steps for your school. Before you begin, gather all your essential information. This includes your unique student identification number, your date of birth, and your personal email address for initial communication. You will also need your program of study and current enrollment status. Having these details organized beforehand simplifies the entire application process, preventing any unnecessary delays. Now, navigate to your institution's specific student portal or IT services page. There, you will typically find a clear, prominent link for new student account activation. Prepare to use your assigned student identification number and any temporary password provided in your admission letter. This portal is your gateway to setting up your official student email, so proceed carefully. Once inside the portal, you will follow the system's prompts for identity verification. This might involve entering a one-time code sent to your personal email or mobile phone number for security. Next, you will establish a strong, unique password for your new student email account. Ensure your password meets all specified security requirements, such as including numbers and special characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.